Welcome to the first session of the Science Tutor. One question we get frequently asked is why some luminometers are suitable to perform flash assays while others are not. Well, to explain this, let's have a look at the difference between flash and glow luminescence. Let's perform a small experiment. For that, we need a little darkness. First, let's mix the reagents of a glow assay. Now, let's mix the reagents of a flash assay. Well, I think you get the difference. While flash reactions have a strong but rather short signal, glow assays have a much longer signal which can last for hours. Well, with this in mind, what are the implications when you want to measure 96 flash reactions in a microtiter plate? Let's also imagine you use an 8-well multi-channel pipette to add the assay reagent to each column, one by one. Once you add the assay reagent, the signal will peak almost immediately and begin to decline rapidly. If you then put the plate into a luminometer with a programmed read time of, let's say, 10 seconds per well, to measure the complete plate will take 96 times 10 seconds, which equals 960 seconds or 16 minutes. However, Renilla luciferase has a half-time of only 2 minutes, and some luminescent assays have much faster kinetics. When you consider all this, it becomes very clear why you don't want to set up a flash-based measurement this way. So, if you have to use a flash-based assay in a microtiter plate, we recommend using a luminometer with injectors. Modern instruments are easily programmed to inject the specific reagent, measure the signal, then move on to the next well and repeat. At Berthold, we use jet injectors to perform the job. Our jet injectors have many advantages over syringe injectors used in other instruments. They are frictionless, have an extremely long lifetime, they can be used to inject living cells, and have high accuracy, even when dispensing low volumes. In summary, if your experimental setup requires you to measure flash luminescence assays and your throughput to work in 96 well plate, no problem, just use a luminometer or multimode radar equipped with reagent injectors. To learn more about this topic, download our magazine article, Busting Myths about Microplate Radar Injectors. Do you have another microplate measurement question? Just ask at science.tutor@berthold.com.